Well, moving on now, Wednesdays here on the program, we like to put the spotlight on the farm women's group, Common Ground.
Common Ground is a group of farm women who want to be a resource for consumers who want to know more about how their food is grown. In this segment, Common Ground is connecting us with volunteer Sara Sindelar as we discuss what consumers should know about planting wheat.
Well, here in Nebraska, corn is very important. Soybeans you hear about all the time. Wheat is also a popular crop. And joining me now with more on this is Sara Sindelar with Common Ground. Sara, it's good to see you today.
Good to see you too, John.
Yeah, you were here today. You talk about cattle a lot with us and beef production, but today you're talking about wheat. What do you think consumers need to know?
Well, here in Nebraska, our family farm is mostly beef production, corn and soybean production, alfalfa, but we also produce wheat. Nebraska is not a big wheat producing state. Kansas is actually one of the top producing states. But here on our family farm, the reason we produce wheat is for weed control in our fields. It gives our land a break from the corn and soybean rotation, so we can break that up. It also helps with our manure management when it comes to hauling all the manure to the fields for the cattle. It kind of helps with that. When it comes to wheat, when we are harvesting it, we take our wheat to the local co-ops, and that ends up being taken out to where it's made into a whole bunch of different products: baking flour, white flour, wheat flour, pancake mixes, noodles, pasta, breads are a huge one, crackers, snack bars, cake mixes, pancake mix, cereals, and the list can go on and on. Unlike corn and soybeans where it's planted in the spring, wheat is actually planted in the fall, around October, early November. Wheat actually then goes dormant through the winter and then comes back in the spring, and it's ready to be harvested in July.
What is the nutritional value of wheat?
Wheat actually has a very substantial source of nutrition. It contains vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin B, folate, whole grains. It's also a good source of phytochemicals, which is a big science fancy word for it generates energy. Around 1 acre of wheat produces enough bread to feed 9,000 people for one day.
Thank you, Sara, for letting us know about wheat, bringing that to the forefront again today. And you're coming up a little bit later with a recipe as well.
Yes, I am.
Sounds good. I hear it might be, maybe it might help clean out the pantry a little bit. So we will look forward to that, and we'll see you a little bit later.
All right, thank you.